Welcome to our tutorial on how to import files with scheduled tasks in Sellercloud. Scheduled tasks allow you to automate certain tasks and set them to recur at specific intervals. This can include tasks such as importing information, generating picklists, and exporting information. There are over 30 task types that can be used to automate your workflow. In this video we will go over how to schedule tasks to import files from FTP, HTTP, and email attachment. Let's go over how to schedule tasks to get files from FTP. To do this, go to Settings, Scheduled Tasks, and click Manage Scheduled Tasks. Press the green plus icon at the bottom right corner to create a new scheduled task. Select the task type, and fill in the appropriate information. Fill in the basic settings like note, frequency and email alerts. Then, choose the correct plugin or profile from the drop-down menu. In the Import From field, select FTP. Next, enter the FTP credentials. The FTP directory is where you specify the correct directory on the FTP. And the FTP FileName is where you enter the file name. If you want the task to load multiple files into one folder, enter an asterisk in the file name. You can also choose to delete the file from the FTP by choosing Delete Files After Processing. Or alternatively, you can archive the file after processing by choosing Archive Files After Processing. This will remove the file and place it in a subdirectory within the specified directory. You can also enable the Use Passive function if the connection cannot be made due to firewalls on your server. Once you've configured everything, click Save. Choose the correct plugin or profile from the drop-down menu. In the Import From field, choose HTTP, enter the HTTP URL and save the task. Finally, let's go over how to schedule an import task from email attachment. You may want to create a dedicated email for this task for two reasons. The task will search every email ever received, which may take a long time, and an app-specific password must be generated from your Google account. If you decide to use your Google account, here are the steps to take app password. Go to your Google account. Select Security. Under Signing in to Google, select App Passwords. You have to sign in. At the bottom, choose Select App and choose the app you're using and then Generate. Follow the instructions to enter the app password. The app password is the 16-character code in the yellow bar on your device. Tap Done. Log into the email account that will receive the file. Select Settings. Then see All Settings. Under the tab Forwarding and POP/IMAP you'll find IMAP Access. There you'll need to enable IMAP in your settings. Then go to Sellercloud. Navigate to the scheduled task you created. Choose the correct plugin or profile from drop-down menu. From the Import From drop-down, select Email. Fill out your credentials and configure the server. Enable server is IMAP, and my server requires SSL connection. And then, check Delete Email After Processing if you want Sellercloud to delete the email after the task. This is recommended if you want Sellercloud to always get the attachments from only the newest email that's in the inbox. Make sure that you are still in edit mode. Click the test email icon to confirm your connection, and then click Save. That's it for this tutorial on scheduling an import task in Sellercloud. Thanks for watching.